Let's go over how to properly charge and install your 21700 batteries into your ThermNight 4K 219R. In the box, you'll have your charger, your batteries, and your charging cable. The ThermNight 4K uses 21700 flat top batteries. That means on the negative side, it is completely flat, and on the positive side, there is a recessed positive button terminal. The positive side and the negative side are both indicated on the exterior of the battery itself. When installing your battery onto the charger, make sure you align the positive end of your battery with the positive end on the charger. When your battery is charging, the power level of the battery will be indicated by the blue lights. Think of it as 25, 50, 75, and 100%. Right now, this battery is between 75 and 100% charged. When all four lights stop blinking, that means your battery is then fully charged and at 100%. Now let's install the battery into the ThermNight 4K. On the battery compartment, there is a positive and a negative marking. So let's unscrew the battery cap, grab our battery, and then align the positive end of the battery to the positive on the battery compartment, and then reinstall our battery cap. And always remember to fully hand tighten your battery cap.